Hello students, welcome to the channel Mathpedia. Today I will discuss NCERT book exercise 7.3 integrals chapter, and if you like this video please subscribe this channel. Now you just watching how I am solving this integration, just you see, and don't forget to like and share this video. In the exercise 7.3 question number 1 is given sin square 2x plus 5. Its integration you have to find. So integration of sin square 2x plus 5 into dx. So here we will apply one thing. You know that 2 sin square x, we can write it as 1 minus cos 2x. We can write it as, so what we will do it, 1 by 2 integration 2 sin square 2x plus 5 into dx. This will be 1 minus cos 2x, so it will be multiplied by 2, that means 4x plus 10 dx. Okay, next 1 by 2 integration dx minus 1 by 2 integration cos of 4x plus 10 dx. So dx integration is x by dx integration x, and here 1 by 2, so x by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos x integration. Cos x integration is sin x. So sin x, x is here 4x plus 10. So basically 4x plus 10 we will write, under it we will write 4, and then plus. Why we retain this one under 4? Because here x is multiplied by 4, so that's why I written it in denominator. Okay, this is the rule. So other way you can do it, 4x plus 10 you can consider as t, then you substitute it, then you can do it, and you will get the same result. So what is the result here? X by 2 minus 1 by 8 sine of 4x plus 10 plus c. Okay, so next question number 2, integration sine 3x into cos 4x dx. So what we will do here, 1 by 2 into 2 cos 4x into sine 3x dx. Why written at first cos 4x? Because 4x is greater than 3x, so that's why written. So now we'll use that formula, 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b, this formula is sine of a plus b, 4x plus 3x minus sine of a minus b. Okay, so this formula we use dx. So what will be it? Sine of integration sine 7x minus sine x. Next, what is the value? 1 by 2 sine 7x integration minus cos 7x by 7 minus plus cos x by 1. Actually, no need to write, plus c. Don't forget to write this c. C is here integrating constant. Don't forget to write. Next, question number 4. Sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. So how we integrate this one? Here one trick is there. What you will write here? This one thing you do, sine square 2x plus 1 into sine 2x plus 1 into dx. Then sine square 2x plus 1. Here this one you can write 1 minus cos square x, sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So cos square 2x plus 1, you can write this one as into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Now we'll consider here cos 2x plus 1 equals to t. So cos x, now we differentiate it. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x, sin 2x plus 1. Again we have to differentiate it, this 2x plus 1. So after differentiation of 2x plus 1, we will get 2 equals to dt dx. Okay. So sin 2x plus 1 into dx equals to minus dt by 2. So that means this will be integration and 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. It will be t square into sin 2x plus 1 into dx. This will be minus dt by, sorry, 1 by 2 you write it, and here you write dt. So that means then you multiply 1 minus 1 by 2, no need to multiply. Integration of 1 is equals to t, and integration of t square is equals to t cube by 3. Okay, plus c. Now we put the value and we multiply. So it will be t cube by 6 minus t by 2 plus c. T is here cos cube 2x plus 1 by 6 minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Okay. If you have any doubt in any sum, you please comment in the comment box. Sir, I can't understand this sum, so please discuss it. So I'll try to discuss the sum in the comment box. Next sum is question number 5. Here given sin cube x into cos cube x. It's integration, fine. So here how we integrate this one. So one thing you can do, that is sin cube x. Okay, and this one cos square x into cos x, like this way you can write. So now sin cube x into cos square x, we can write it as 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Okay, now sin cube x minus sin to the power 5x into cos x. I think so all of you understood here what we will consider here. Actually here we will consider sin x equals to t. So sin x differentiation cos x dx equals to dt. So what will be it? This one, integration of t cube minus t to the power 5, and its cos x dx equals to dt. So t to the power 4 by 4 minus t to the power 6 by 6 plus c. So t to t here sin x, sin to the power 4x by 4 minus sin to the power 6x by 6 plus c. This is the answer. Next, question number 6. Integration sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x dx. So how we integrate it? Again, we will multiply by 1 by 2, this one. Now we will write 2 sin 3x, arrange it, and 2 sin 2x into sin x dx. Or 2 sin a sin b formula. 2 sin a sin b equals to that is cos of a minus b, that is 3x minus 2x, that is x, minus cos of a plus b, that is cos 5x, into sin x dx. Again we will multiply by 1 by 2 this one, that is 1 by 4 2 sin x cos x minus 2 cos 5x into sin x. Okay, then what will be it? 2 sin x cos x equals to sin 2x. Already you know, minus 2 cos 5x into sin x. Here what we will do? Here cos into, that is the previous one I discussed, that one, that formula, that is sin of a plus b, sin of a plus b, that is 6x, minus sin of a minus b, that is 4x dx. So what will be it? 1 by 4 integration sin 2x dx minus integration sin 6x dx plus integration sin 4x dx, and this one 1 by 4 multiplied 1 by 4. So sin 2x integration cos 2x by 2. Here is negative sign. So all are sign, we can write this negative sign at first. You can take common, then put the bracket. This negative sign for all the integration. Then put the same sign. Cos 6x by 6 my plus cos 4x by 4 plus c. This is the answer. Then you can multiply this 4 and also this sign with all these functions. So you will get that answer. I think so that this is clear. Next, I am not discussing the question number 7. I think so all of you can solve the question number 7. Next, question number 8. Here integration 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. How we integrate it? This is very easy. Here is one trick. 1 minus cos 2 theta, this formula, 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is equals to 2 sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. We know this formula. Same formula we'll use. 1 minus cos x, so it will be 2 sine square x by 2. So it will be 2 sine square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So that means 2 to cancel, sine cos tan, that is tan square x by 2. Now how we integrate it? Tan square theta equals to, that is sec square x by 2 minus 1 into dx. You know, all of you. Then sec square theta integration tan x by 2, and here is x by 2, that means in denominator also 1 by 2, minus 1 integration x plus c. So what is the result? 2 tan x by 2 minus, this is x plus c. This is the answer. Next, question number 9. Question number 9, cos x by 1 plus cos x dx. So how we integrate this one? This, there is also one trick is also there, that is cos cos 2x. You can write, we can cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals to, you know, all of you, cos square x minus sin x. So it will be cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 by 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x here, you know 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta. So same 1 plus cos x equals to 1 plus cos x equals to, we can write it as 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Now cos square x cancel here. For the first term only dx is remaining here. Next one 1 by 2 sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2, that is tan square x by 2. So here x by 2 minus 1 by 2 tan square, how we integrate it? Again same thing, tan square x by 2 already, this one integrated. Tan square x by 2, its integration is 2 tan x by 2 here, discussed in previous sum. So you can write it as 2 tan x by 2 minus x minus x. This is the integration of tan square x by 2 plus c. So the number 11 cos to the power 4 2x dx, its integration. So how we integrate it? One thing you listen, we can write it as cos square 2x it whole square dx. Then cos square 2x. Cos square 2x, it will be 1 plus cos 4x. So it's double by 2 it whole square dx. Then a, it will be 1 by 4 a plus b whole square formula, 1 plus 2ab, that is 4x plus cos square 4x dx. Again 1 by 4 integration 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus again the cos, this formula cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So it will be 1 plus cos 4x is there, 8x by 2 dx. So that means 1 by 4 integration of 1, and here this half if we add it will be 3 by 2 plus 2 cos 4x plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 cos 8x, okay dx. Now you can integrate this one, the result is I am writing here. So 1 by 4 3 by 2x plus 2 into sin 4x by 4 plus 1 by 2 into sin 8x by 8 plus c. Now you multiply it and you will get the result here. Okay, this is the answer. Question number 12, sin square x by 1 plus cos x dx. So how we solve this one? Sin square x, we can write it as 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now 1 minus a square minus b square formula we can use. So we can write it as 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. This one as by 1 plus cos x. So dx cancel this one. Remaining is 1 minus cos x dx. So its integration of 1 x and its integration sin x plus c. Question number 13. So how we solve this one? We will write cos 2x as 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx. So now here 0 is the 1 minus 1 0, so remaining is 2 cos square x minus cos square alpha by cos x minus cos alpha into dx. So here remaining term here 2 you can write cos square a square minus b square formula cos square x minus cos square alpha. So a square minus, so a minus b into a plus b, a minus b is cancelled here, that is cos x minus cos alpha, and here 2 cancel, so remaining term is cos x plus cos alpha into dx. Here is the remaining term. So 2 into cos x integration. Cos x integration is sin x. And cos alpha, this one is a constant. So into dx. So dx integration is x. So plus x into cos alpha plus c. This is the answer of this one. So next question number 14. Cos x minus sin x by 1 plus sin 2x dx. So how we solve this one? Cos x minus sin x. So what we will do? Cos x minus sin x, you write it as same. 1 we can write it as cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, plus sin 2x we can write it as 2 sin x into cos x. So what is the formula here? Cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x it whole square. Okay, now what we will do? Let cos x plus sin x equals to z or t, whatever you feel, you can consider. Cos x derivative minus sin x plus sin x derivative cos x into dx is equals to dz. So next this one will be dz by z square. So its integration will be z to the power minus 3 by, sorry, z to the power n into n plus 1. So z to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. So answer is minus 1 by cos x plus sin x, or sin x plus cos x plus c. Okay. Next is that 16 number sum. This is very important sum. All of you remember this one. This is very important sum. So how we convert, integrate it? Tan square x into tan square x. You write it at first. So tan square x, we can write it as sec square x minus 1 into tan square x dx. Okay. Now sec square x into tan square x dx minus tan square x dx. Okay, so now here for this one we'll consider let tan x is equals to z. So that means sec square x dx is equals to dz for this one. So next step, this one it will be z square dz. I think so. This one clear. This one will write, this one will write it as sec square x minus 1 again. This tan square dx. So z square here z cube by 3 minus here sec square x integration tan x here plus x plus c. Now z you replace by tan x, so tan cube x by 3 minus tan x plus c. This is the answer. Next one, question number 17. What is the question number 17? Here given sin cube x plus cos cube x by sin square x into cos square x. So this is very easy sum. I think so all of you can do. Just you divide sin cube x by sin square x into cos square x plus cos cube x by sine square x into cos square x dx. Okay, I think so all of you can do. Now this is remaining term is sine x, this one cancel, so remaining term is sine x by uh, cos square x dx, plus here remaining term is cos x by sine square x in dx. Okay, so here it will be sine by cos tan x, and 1 cos x will be remaining 1 by cos x, so that is sec x dx, plus here same thing cot x into cosec x dx. So tan x into sec x, it integration, which integration, that is sec x, its integration sec x, and minus its integration will be minus cosec x plus c. This is the answer. Next, I will discuss. I think so. You can solve question number 18 and 19. This is very easy sum. I think so. All of you can solve. If you cannot solve, please tell me in the comment box, so that in the next video I will discuss this sum. If you have any doubt. So next 20 number sum. You see how I solve this one. Here cos 2x, we can write it as cos square x minus sine square x by cos x plus sine x it whole square dx. So this one we can write it as cos x plus sine x and cos x minus sine x by cos x plus sine x dx. I think so. Now you can solve. Already discussed this type of sum, cos x plus sine x dx. Okay, so what will be its integration? That is already discussed this type of sum in question number 14. Okay, so let cos x plus sine x is equals to z. Okay, so cos x differentiation minus sine x, its differentiation cos x, its dx is equals to dz. So what will be it? This one will be dz by z. So log z plus c. So answer is log of or log mod cos x plus sin x plus c. This is the answer of question number 20. Next 21. 21 little bit tricky sum. This one sin, but don't afraid of this type of sum. This is also easy sum. Easily you can solve. Just you see how I am solving this sum. So let cos x is equals to z. So cos x differentiation minus sin x dx is equals to dz. So now minus dx is equals to dz by sin x. So that, or you can write it as minus this one. So dx equals to dz minus dz by sin x. You can write it as root over 1 minus cos square x. So that means root over 1 minus z square. Okay, root over 1 minus z square. So what will be it then? Sine inverse z, and dx equals to minus dz by root over of 1 minus z square. So that means minus minus sine inverse z by root over of 1 minus z square dz. So again you have to consider sine inverse z is equals to t. So sine inverse z equals to t, so that means its differentiation 1 by root over of 1 minus z square dz equals to dt. So what is it? Now it will be minus t dt. You consider this one, you check this one, t dt. So it's integration t square by 2 plus c. T square by 2 plus c. Now I am writing the answer here. Now you can replace t as sine inverse of z it whole square by 2 plus c. Now z you convert, write it z equals to cos x. Sine inverse of cos x it whole square by 2 plus c. This is the answer. So this is a little bit tricky. Two times we substitute here. Okay, so you practice it 1-2 times, so then you can do this sum easily. Next, which I am going to discuss, this is very important sum for your board exam. All of you practice it at least 5 to 6 times. Otherwise, you cannot solve this type of sum. Every alternative year you can get. Means, so this is very important sum. This question already given in so many previous years. So how we integrate it? So one thing you listen, we write it as multiply this one sine of a minus b. Okay, sine of a minus b, a here constant, b here also constant, so that means sine of a minus b is also a constant. And here you have to write it as sine of a minus b. If you write, these two are cancelled denominator, but here this sine of a minus b will write it as another way. Okay, so x minus a minus of x minus, means here minus sign, here bracket. Okay, so in the form you see here, so that means here which one is the x cancelled, minus a minus plus b. So that means we considered here sine of b minus a, or you can write 1 by sine of a minus b, or you can change it. Okay, according that you can change it sine of b minus a. Okay, because here this way we'll write. Okay, so cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b. I think so this one is clear to all of you. B 1 by sine of b minus a. Now we use the formula sine a plus b. So sine of x minus a into cos of x minus b minus cos of x minus a into sine of x minus b. I think so this is clear to all of you. Cos of x minus a into cos of x minus b to this. So sine of b minus a, now you divide it. So here cancel will be x cos x minus b. Remaining term is sine of x minus a by cos of x minus, that means tan of x minus a, minus here remaining term is sine of x minus b by cos of x minus b. So that means tan of x minus b. This is the remaining term dx. So what will be the integration? Tan x integration, you know that log mod sec x. So log mod x minus a. Sorry, this one log mod sec x minus a. Okay, minus log mod sec x minus b. Okay, you can write it as like this: 1 by sine of a minus, b minus a into log mod sec, using the property of logarithm, by sec x minus b. plus c, obviously here plus c. Plus c. Don't forget to write this plus c. Or you can write it as this one, or b minus a log mod cos x minus b. This sec we converted into cos. That means this numerator will be denominator and denominator will be in numerator. Cos of, that is cos of x minus a. This is also answer. So up to this also correct. You will get full marks. This one you can do as your choice. Next, question number 23. 23, this is very easy sum. Here given sin square x minus cos square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. So just you divide it, you will get 1 by cos square x, 1 by cos square x minus 1 by sin square x. It's dx. This is very easy. I think so all of you can do this sum. Minus cos x square x. You know that integration, what is this integration formula? X square x equals to its integration tan x minus cos x square x integration minus cot x. So that means minus minus plus cot x plus c. So which answer is correct? Option A is here right answer. Okay. Next, 24. Integration e to the power x 1 plus x by cos square of e to the power x into x dx. So let e to the power x into x is equals to t here. You consider t, z, whatever you feel you can consider. Now you differentiate it. So here we will apply u into v formula. So it's in differentiation into this. So x into e to the power x differentiation e to the power x plus e to the power x into x differentiation is 1 into dx is equals to dt. So e to the power x you take common, x plus 1 dx is equals to dt. So now you see we can write it as dt by cos square t. So its result is sec square t dt. 1 by cos square t means x square, so sec square x integration is tan x. So tan t plus c. T you replace it, tan of e to the power x into x plus c. This is the result. So means which option is correct here? Option B is correct. So up to this today's video. In the next video I will discuss the next exercise, that is 7.4. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.